everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with Bibi and Charlie. Bibi's right here. Bibi, you want to come say hi? Come here. She says, no, not really. Come here, honey. Charlie's wandering around outside. He loves to be outside. He also loves to be sleeping curled up under the covers. So, he's a happy dog. Let's see what we got. I got a diamond painting here. It didn't come in a box. Came in a bubble wrap envelope. Okay, standard toolkit, nothing special, but just perfect. Single pen, green boat, pink wax to add to my collection. Ooh, good, another rubber band. Needed. I was out of rubber bands yesterday. Couldn't find one. I don't know. Growing up, we always had rubber bands on the doorknob in our house. I just remembered that. And I did it myself for years and years. And then I just didn't really need them anymore. So you move enough times and you don't have your doorknob of rubber bands anymore. Okay, this is a beautiful 30 by 40. It's a full drill round. And it has this like little kitten, I think. it's kind of hard to tell on these little tiny thumbnails. Let me get the bigger picture. Oh yeah, I got this one. I'm not normally a big cat person. Obviously, I'm a dog person. But I'm very allergic to cats. So it's not that I don't like them. It's just that they really make me miserable, my allergies. This is a little kitty, and she's very fluffy with a great big hat on. And it's loaded with flowers. And you know I love flowers. I just thought it was so pretty. It really is. Let me put the picture up for you so you can see what I'm seeing. Gorgeous. This must be the same company as the last one because the drill symbols are the same. 4, 6, 8, 10, 15, 17, 20, 25 colors. And you can see from the bag, let me show you, there's a lot of purples and lavenders, grays. Doesn't feel like there's enough drills there, but I will take the inventory as I do, and I will put the information on that in the description along with the link on where you can buy this. Gosh, she's beautiful. I got this because first I ordered the kitty with the witch's hat. Have you seen that one? And then she popped up as people also buy this. Here it is. 30 by 40, nice size. There's some nice shading, not a ton, so it's gonna really show up pretty, I think. So many shades of purple and gray. Oh, let me peel this other side so it lays flat in my stash. Boy, she's gorgeous. Just gorgeous. The glue is a little wrinkled. I may have to cut it in places. if you haven't done that trick, you know, don't freak out if your glue is wrinkled. You take an X-Acto knife or a box cutter. Let me see if you can see that wrinkle. It's not huge, but it's really sticking up right in here. So you just slice the glue level. Don't cut through the canvas, but slice the glue, the adhesive, and then when you press on it, the air should come out and it should lay flat. And we'll hope that the weight of my stash will help that a little bit. There we go. Another beautiful diamond painting. I really love this size because you get enough detail that it really looks pretty and it's doable. You know, the huge sizes can be a little daunting, but it's all good. It's all fun. If you like my videos, take a minute and hit like, and please subscribe. Then if you subscribe and then tap the little bell, you'll get notified of when my videos come out. And you know, please come join the Facebook group. Everybody's welcome. Share your pictures, and we have little contests and things, giveaways. And I have another unboxing to do after this. And you have a great day. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. Happy diamond painting. Take care. Bye-bye.